we have to be willing to challenge what we understand in business, and we actually have to be willing to look at the business side of things. And most of us labor under this concept that things should be done a particular way, and oftentimes that's wrong. Many tattooers are not very educated about the business side of things, and that's just as important. The kinds of problems this solves are really a lot of limiting beliefs, and it provides a set of information that you can use as a skeleton to really push forward and to multiply your growth at an exponential level. It put a fire under me that I hadn't felt in what felt like maybe ever, and that is priceless. To literally remove the ceilings and to look at the sky as the limit, and that is priceless, 100% priceless.